Welcome to day 22 of our RC Rock Crawler Advent Calendar series. So if you've watched up to this point, you'd have seen us build this car, you'd have seen us put the batteries in, and we're on to day, where is it, 22, just up here. Now, I can already guarantee this one, because there's barely anything left, is going to be the cover plate for the batteries. So without further ado, let's just dive in and see what we get. Yeah, as expected, cover plate for the batteries. So fairly simple. Just like that. It does come with a captive screw just there, so you don't have to worry about the screw coming out. There we are, that's the bottom on. Not really much more to be said about that. It's a bit of a letdown. Okay, right, well, that was it, just that. They're really scraping the barrel trying to make this last 24 days, aren't they? Probably should have just made it 12 days. It would have been a lot more interesting, because the body panels could have been one day on the, just one day doing those body panels instead of one per day. Batteries and that could have been one day. But anyway, not to worry. Thank you for watching. We are only a couple of days away of driving this thing. Not long now. Stay amped, and Merry Christmas.